everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Fast 5 Dollar Tree haul for you all. So let's jump in and see what I found. So the first set of items are food. The first one I picked up was the Oreo minis. In a haul or two ago I picked up the golden Oreo minis when they came out, and now they're back out with the original Oreo minis. So I picked up a ton of these for my daughter for school and for at home. They are resealable, the snack sacks, so they're really convenient, and anytime I see them, I grab a ton of them because this is a really great deal. The next item I came across was the Pillsbury Funfetti Cupcake Mix. Now, they have been carrying the Funfetti Cookie Mix, and now they have this one. So I picked this up because we're going to be having a little Valentine's get-together with some kiddos. So I thought these would be really cute, and then they can ice them and decorate them themselves. So I picked these up. The next item I came across were the Huggies Simply Clean Fragrance Free, and you get 40 wipes in a pack. I was interested to give these a try. Like Pampers and, you know, Sesame Street and other companies have some wipes at the Dollar Tree, but you get very little. They're like more like a, you know, a little travel size wipe pack. This is more wipes, but I'm not really sure how great of a deal this is. This would probably be 40 wipes is probably like half of what you would normally get in a full pack of wipes. I think the minimum is like 80. So I would be interested to compare this to what the regular price, regular size of this brand would be. But I just picked up a couple because it was convenient and I wanted to give them a try. So I will test them out for you. Now, in previous hauls, I picked up the Fisher Price wipes, and you get 80 of them, and they are fantastic. So if you're looking for wipes and you can find them, they're very hard to find now, definitely grab some because they are well worth the dollar. The next item I picked up, I've only picked up one Easter item, is the glitter base fillers, and these are just little foam balls. They're in pastel colors and glitter. I am going to be using these for a DIY project for a spring wreath. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, check me out at thefledglingmom. You can keep up with my DIY projects as well as my family. And I will probably be posting my DIY wreath in the next couple weeks. So picked up several bags of these. The next set of items I picked up, I'm not sure if these are new, but I think they are. These are from Teaching Tree, so they're in the educational section, and these are the award stickers and charts. Now, they had another style, but I didn't pick it up because I like these the best. So what you get are 4 award sticker sheets and 10 award sheets. So you get 10 of these sheets, and you get 4 of these sticker sheets. And they're so cute. This one says Out of This World, and you can just line up your stickers, you know, as they earn them. And there's a little spot for their name at the bottom. So these are perfect for my daughter. She's 3, and we are working towards, you know, small chores and cleaning up after ourselves and going potty when we're supposed to and brushing our teeth and all of those great things that become routine. So this would be a really fun way for her to you know, earn some sort of prize or be rewarded when she does what she's supposed to. So again, I thought these were new, and these are really great if you have kids at home or if you're a teacher. I mean, that's great because you get 10 award sheets, so that's a really good deal. So yeah, picked up those. And the last item that I picked up is not new, but hard to come by, at least in my area. And this is the Home Essentials. This is the vacuum storage bag. I'm cleaning up and cleaning out my daughter's room and all of their clothes, and everything is stored in bins, and it just takes up so much space. So I want to, you know, consolidate everything. So I'm gonna give these a try. I also have the Ziploc brand that I'm going to be comparing this to in a review video. So stay tuned for that and see if this is really worth $1, because I think I paid $12.99 for 2 large bags by Ziploc. So $1 for one is an awesome deal, but does it hold? Does it hold up? So that is everything from my haul. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are new, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next haul. Bye.